Welcome to my channel. Today I have 7 beautiful home decor projects. So I bought this stand, and this is like to put figurines and whatnot. I took out the glass and I am going to be painting this in black. At one time this was white and I painted this color, but now because I've changed things around, I have 2 of them. I'm going to paint them. They look a little different, and I'm going to be using black flat paint from Rust-Oleum. I paid $30 at the Goodwill for 2 of them several years ago.
Let's light it up, let's make it shine. Aurea's DIY, it's design time.
Well guys, I went to the secondhand store and I purchased this bench. This bench is beautiful as is. I love the colors. But in reality is that I don't have nothing at home that's this color. So I am going to have to paint it, unfortunately, with a black flat paint. It bonds to plastic, wood, metal, and more. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. I love going to my secondhand stores because you find so many beautiful items. And look at this. I paid only $5 for this, believe it or not. And this is solid wood. So let me know what you think about this one. This came out absolutely gorgeous. So this is the first coat because it's outside. It's going to probably dry fast. I'm coming back with a second coat. And then this is it, my dear friends. Here's how it turned out. Let me know your comments in the comment section.
From scraps to stars, we build, we play on DIY with Aurea.
So yeah, I found these at the Dollar Tree, and look at how gorgeous. I really like this pattern. So I purchased 4 of them. I'm gonna make 2 pillows, and I also took an old pillow, and I took out the cotton that's inside, and this is what I'm going to be using. I'm gonna go ahead and see how I can glue these together. I think I'm gonna glue them backwards, because if I glue them backwards, then this trimming you won't be able to see, and it will look a little bit better. Once I'm done gluing all 3 corners, then all I have to do is just flip it the correct way and then we just go ahead and start stuffing it in with cotton. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to start gluing both of these together. So let me start by these 2 ends right here. And I'm going to need a lot of glue, that's for sure. Now, if you're a good sewer, then go ahead and sew. But me, I don't own a sewing machine. I mean, I know how to sew, but I don't own a sewing machine because I don't sew enough to own one. It's not my favorite thing to do, put it that way. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start gluing these together. This video is part of an open collaboration called Budget to Beauty, and this is hosted every month by Craft Along with Jay with Jetta, and also Touched by Time with Nikki. These are 2 beautiful ladies and talented. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down in my description box for more inspiration. There's also a playlist. Please make sure to visit the playlist as well. Make sure to give these ladies a lots of love. They do put in a lots of work to their videos to bring some inspiration into your home. They create budget-friendly projects and they are amazing. Make sure to give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channels. If you are here from one of their platforms, I am so honored that you decided to stop by and spend some time with me. I hope you decide to stay by subscribing to this channel as well. And now let's get back to this video. As you see, I have already glued in the kitchen towels together, creating 2 pillows. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn them around, making sure that they look nice and straight in the corners. After that, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the cotton in the inside. Now I took an old pillow, like I said before. I made sure to open it up and then took the cotton, and that's what I'm going to be stuffing in the inside. And I had enough to stuff both of the pillows, and I still have some left over for a smaller pillow. So I was really happy that I was able to accomplish and make both of these pillows for about $5. And as you see, I'm sealing the pillow. I did this to both of them and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you the final reveal, and it's your turn to let me know which of these projects have been your favorites so far. I'm going to be using 6 of these dowels, and with the jute I will be wrapping it around all 6 of the dowels. And here are all 6 of them already wrapped. I'm going to take the lighter and I am going to go ahead and burn out all that fuzzy hair. Make sure that you do this in a safe place, and if you are doing it like me in my station, just make sure that you have some water just like I do. And now everything looks nice and neat. So now with some hot glue, I'm going to start gluing them together. Now that this is already built, I'm going to take this chain and I'm just going to be using half of it. Then I'm going to take some more jute twine. I'm going to go ahead and tie it right above so it can hang from the middle of this triangle. So now the chain is in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to one dowel, and then I'm going to be cutting it into 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and burn the fuzzy hair, and then I'm gonna come in with some hot glue and I'm going to start gluing them all together, creating the exact same figure as the first one, but smaller. I also said earlier that I was going to do this to one dowel, but I did this to 2 dowels because I'm creating the same exact figure like I said before, but of course smaller. And this is going to be turning out beautiful. I'm also going to take this jute, and this is a creamy color, and then I'm just going to wrap all the corners. So now I'm proceeding to adding the other 3 dowels, creating the same figure as the bigger one like I said before. Once that is done, then I'll proceed to add the jute twine to the other corner, this one right here where I'm adding the glue. So let's go ahead and put this together with the chain, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit more of jute twine so like that we could hang it on the ceiling. And I will be adding some succulents. And this is it for this project. I hope you have enjoyed it, and now for the final reveal. So using some more jute, I'm gonna take this floral wire and I am going to wrap the twine on the entire wire. Now for this DIY, I'm gonna be putting it or placing it on the wall, but before I do that, let me go ahead and cut this excess wire off, and then I am going to be placing it on the wall, and in the middle section I am going to be adding a succulent. And now let me show you how this all turned out. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.